Hello, my name is Musaab. I am from Fort Worth, Texas. I was working at American Auto Tech. I was just working in the front office, but before that also I was working at tire shops. Dinking, I just Googled it online. It was the first thing that popped up, but I was also looking around at other PDR schools, and Dinking ended up having the best reviews. Compared to the beginning of the first week, I was doing little dings on the hood. It was complicated, but then once I got the hold of that, everything else got a little bit easier. Right now, I'm doing much more complicated stuff, so it is a little frustrating right now. But like over time, I'll get better with practice. No, it's good. I like it here. It's really like it's not scary over here. Everyone makes you feel comfortable. Like everyone's nice. They show you everything. They're not harsh. Like it's good. Once I go home, I'm gonna continue practicing. Hopefully, I'll try to find a PDR job that I can use to make money and practice with at the same time, but my goal is to open my own PDR business, hopefully. Thank you, Dent King.